Want to program a new or replacement key fob for your Mazda CX-5? It's generally a straightforward process you can do yourself, saving time and money. This video covers the DIY method, focusing on the ignition cycle technique used in most CX-5 models up to 2024. We will walk you through synchronizing your key fob, discussing the types of fobs, and which batteries they take. The CX-5 uses 3-button or 4-button fobs with slight variations in button arrangement. Battery replacement is simple, using CR2025 or CR232 batteries that come in child-secure packaging. The programming method involves entering the vehicle with the key, turning the ignition to on, and then pressing buttons on the new fob while cycling the ignition. Although newer cars may present challenges, this method has an over 90% success rate for models older than 2020. With that said, always be sure to do your diligence and research your specific vehicle to prevent issues that can be resolved by a dealer instead. Now let's walk through the step-by-step programming process for your Mazda CX-5 key fob. First, enter your car using the physical key, not the fob. Second, turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Third, press and hold the lock button on the new fob for 4 to 6 seconds. Fourth, cycle the ignition from off to on multiple times while pressing buttons on the fob. Fifth, test if the fob functions by locking and unlocking the car. Remember, Mazda uses rolling codes, so timing is crucial. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds per step. For 2017 and newer models, check that your car battery voltage is above 12.5 volts. Common issues include low battery voltage or timing errors during programming. If programming fails, rewatch the steps and try again. If issues persist, consult a professional locksmith or dealer.